Yeah, I'm Ed and I live in Mossvale. I mean, I like the technology. Battery rebate makes it a lot more affordable. The main thing was I'm worried about power bills in winter. I've got two young kids and have to heat the house and heat their rooms. And when I was younger and single, I'd just go without heat and it was fine. Having solar and the batteries means I don't have any anxiety for heating the house in winter. We only had a couple power bills and we've done a bit of work to the house since then. They were around $160 a month, but we had gas cooking, gas oven. So since then we've put in electric. The usage has gone up considerably. Yeah, there's no anxiety around the cost of it now because it's all pretty much free. I've seen a lot of vehicles around the suburb, so there's definitely a presence here. I've seen signs around people's houses, so between that and looking at reviews and seeing that it was quite positive. I had a couple quotes from other companies as well, and they were either a little bit more expensive or around the same price point. And yeah, that presence in the district sort of made the difference for me. Yeah, I'd recommend them. I don't know too many people that own their own house around here, so I can't really recommend it to too many people. But I mean, yeah, so far I've had a good experience, so I wouldn't see why I would recommend anyone else.